Hi folks, the video you're about to see was inspired by another YouTuber, and the YouTuber lives in Osaka, Japan, and he takes magnificent videos of the Osaka area, specifically of baseball and the various railroads and trains. I have a link to his channel in the description. And this is the other day I was riding around my town and I heard a train coming. Golly Wilkins, so says I. So I stopped the vehicle, jumped out with my video and camera equipment, and this is the result. I hope you enjoyed it. It's not as good as his videos, and I don't think ever will be as good, because the gentleman is a master at his videos. If you like cityscapes, if you like baseball, if you like railroads, please visit his channel, because those videos are absolutely stunning. Alright folks, we'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.